Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHNR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. A pretty crazy day here today, and a lot of just kind of sporadic movement. Again, each of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because you can see right here, opening 30 minutes, big volume, big price reaction, and then volume essentially dropped back off, and then all of a sudden right there, big volume once again, and the price didn't react quite as big as the initial 30 minutes. But point here being that there was just kind of a lot of just random volume that just kept coming in. But overall, when all the dust had settled, good solid day here for the bulls. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance. First level of support to talk about, and I would map this one out as the ideal level of support. Meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can stay up above $3 going forward, that's going to make the chart look the best and most powerful. Now, I'm not saying if the price drops below $3 that everything's ruined or anything like that, but preferably speaking, yeah, if the price hanging up above $3 is definitely going to make the chart look the strongest. From the big grand scheme of things, the overall perspective, it's really all about that pink line right there, which is the 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, that I'm sure you've heard of and are aware of the 200 period and know that from, again, big picture perspective, grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above there, that implies that the overall trend is up. So keep that the pink line in mind too. But again, that assumes that your preference, your strategy is you care about the big picture. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some battlegrounds at? The initial area of resistance, which looks like the price has a couple times right around that area, $3.80. You can see, knocked down the price there, and although it didn't quite get it right there, temporarily broke above it here, but cannot maintain above it. Therefore, still got to be considered an area of resistance. Next level of resistance after 380. Up here at this point, and we'll call it $5. So some room to potentially move. If the price can break through there, I'm not saying that it'll be up to $5 in 2 seconds, but according to the chart, the bulls could regain some more momentum if the bulls can get, like I said, the good strong high volume break of 380. But we'll see what happens with it. But a good start to the week for sure. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.